D versus agency marketing, the pros and cons. We've made high ROI designs over numerous areas and constructed our notoriety by conveying extraordinary outcomes for our customers. We intend to help organizations that are not kidding about developing. Connect if your business is one of them. It's a given that promoting is one of the significant factors behind the accomplishment of any business. This is the reason you need an extensive advanced showcasing effort set up to get you before who you should be. New businesses particularly need shrewd advertising methodologies to contend with previously settled players in their industry. Be that as it may, with regards to building up these systems and executing efforts, numerous individuals don't know about the upsides and downsides encompassing promoting or employing a computerized organization Melbourne-based to carry out the responsibility. Advertising agency, masters, and advanced showcasing office has various creatives in the group. These experts have long periods of ability in making computerized promoting efforts. These experts know the long ways of the computerized advertising biological system and realize where to put away time and cash to make your promoting efforts progressively effective. A computerized promoting organization will break down demonstrated procedures and techniques to give the ideal outcomes. They know about programming, examination, language, projects, and stages that can assist you with stretching out beyond the opposition. Cons: for independent ventures, it tends to be difficult to give up a level of inventive control. While this might be hard, it is a decent learning experience for independent ventures and regularly brings development. Cost is clearly a factor to consider when working with an office. Each office will have their own expenses, so do your exploration and realize what you ought to and shouldn't pay for and what amount is excessively. As a computerized showcasing office is available to a wide range of organizations, you won't be the main customer who is employing the administrations of an advanced promoting office for advanced advertising efforts and substance advertising. There can be some postponement in your work, or you may get results somewhat later. Nonetheless, it is guaranteed that you will get a similar degree of commitment and work from advanced showcasing office staff like different customers. Digital marketing experts. The primary favorable position of doing your own showcasing is the manner by which reasonable it is. On the off chance that you realize what you're doing and have the opportunity, it's an incredible method to set aside cash. Doing your own showcasing is an incredible method to learn and upskill in a hands-on way. You have direct command over your whole promoting effort and can transform it quickly as you wish. You have all the devices and workforce available to you. This empowers you to monitor the nature of your computerized showcasing efforts without any problem. You are straightforwardly in charge and act quickly if there is a need of change in the substance or advanced showcasing efforts immediately. Cons: it requires some investment to make and actualize a careful and effective promoting effort. This can, without much of a stretch, occupy important time you should spend on different parts of your business. You should pay for stages and programming that would as of now be remembered for an office bundle, just as figure out how to utilize them. You comprehend what you need regarding quality. In any case, it doesn't imply that you have the essential ability to accomplish those quality objectives you have anticipated in your psyche. Notwithstanding skills feature articles, you group probably won't have what it takes expected to work as per measures.